Hello students, welcome to the My Dream, the India's first ever e-learning educational platform where each and every topic will be taught with what, why and how concept. So guys, today we will discuss our new topic, that is probability. So here we will discuss the probability in the concern of what, why and how as per the theme of the My Dream. Okay, so first we will discuss what is probability, then we will discuss why we are studying probability, and next we will discuss how it is going to be connected with our daily to daily life scenario. So first question number first is, what is probability? What is probability? So guys, I will tell you basic answer of this question is chance of happening of a particular event. Likelihood of happening of a particular event is known as the probability. Basically, if I will toss a particular coin, so what can occur? Either head or tail. So we will say either head can occur or tail can occur. So then in that scenario, we will define the probability. So what is probability? Probability is basically chance of happening of a particular event. Chance or happening of a particular event, this is basically probability. Okay, now our second concern is why we are studying probability. So in that scenario, now I will tell you why we are studying probability. Okay, so our next concern is why. So guys, now you listen me very properly. Okay, why we are studying probability? Because probability is mostly used in predicting the things. Predicting the things means inside weather forecasting, or to book a train ticket. I will explain you both of the concept. First, I will go to the weather forecasting. So, inside weather forecasting, sometimes you used to see the news, and inside the news it is going to happen that tomorrow is the probability of 70% that there will be a rain on tomorrow. How that particular department is going to predict this thing? How they will get to know that tomorrow there will be a rain or not? Tomorrow will be the sunshine or not? What will be the tomorrow? Tomorrow will be storm or not? Okay. So basically, what they do? Actually, they have taken a particular sample. They have taken a particular sample. What they have taken? They have taken a particular sample. Approx. Take it 100 sample. They have taken a 100 sample in such a scenario that a particular temperature, a particular humidity, okay, and rest of the parameters for a particular day. That may be for the tomorrow. Okay. In that scenario, if this particular thing is going to happen, like this particular temperature, this particular humidity, this particular condition, then in that scenario, they have taken 100 samples, and out of 100 samples, they have seen earlier that in the 70 days, out of 100 samples, out of 100 days, 70 days was such type that at that time rain was going to happen. So that's why they can predict that tomorrow is the probability that 70% is the probability that tomorrow rain will be there. This is basically the concept of weather forecasting, and that is totally depend on probability. That's why we are studying the probability. I will give you another example. Sometimes you will open the IRCTC app. Okay, inside the IRCTC app, you just booking a train ticket. Then sometimes you used to see that your ticket is in the waiting, and in that scenario, basically thing is written there, CNF 70% probability that you will get the ticket at that particular train or not. So guys, the concern is there, how they are going to predict. they are going to predict that they are taking some particular sample data, like here we have taken temperature, humidity. They have taken that in this particular month, this particular day, okay, this particular train, how many passengers are going to travel, okay, like that. So in that scenario, how many passengers are going to travel? So they take a particular sample of data, and in that scenario they have seen that, suppose that if they are saying that there is a probability of, or CNF is 60%, that you will get a chance that you will get the ticket inside the particular waiting, okay. So in that scenario they have taken a particular sample, and out of that particular sample, suppose that they have taken 100 samples, and if they are saying that 60% the probability that you will get the ticket, confirmed ticket inside that particular train, then it means they have taken sample of 100 days, and out of 100 days, 60 days it is going to happen that the particular person is going to take the ticket inside that train, confirmed ticket. That's why the probability comes into the picture. So I have given you two examples. First is the weather forecasting. Second is to book a train ticket by using the IRCTC app or whatever the app that you want to use. Okay. Now guys, I will tell you a best example, and please listen me very much clear way. Okay. What I am going to talk, please give your 100% attention here. Okay. You people are preparing for the IITG examination or NEET examination. Okay. You know, suppose that I am taking an example. Okay. I am just taking example that inside the IITG examination, okay, IITG means G Mains or G Advanced, whatever. Suppose that I will write here G Advanced, okay. Inside the G examination, okay. Inside the G examination, actually total 479 seats are there, including the total IITs, okay, whatever the number of IITs. Suppose that we are saying that 479 seats are there, and you people, how many people you are there? Suppose that you people are 70,000, okay. So what is the probability that you guys will take a seat inside the IIT? Is 479 divided by 70,000. This particular formula you will see everywhere. What is the method to calculate the probability? Just nothing. If you will say we have to find the probability of A, then what you will say? You will see this thing inside your book. So I am not explaining it. I will explain it in the further coming sessions. Okay, here I am just telling it in the reference of the only what, why and how. Okay, so PA, if you will say, then basically here the number of favorable outcomes in reference of A and total number of outcomes. Okay, number of favorable outcomes in reference of A and divided by total number of outcomes. So on the basis of this formula, what is this? P of M is probability of happening of an event A. What is this? Number of favorable outcomes in reference of A divided by total number of outcomes. So what is the probability, what is the chance that you will get the seat inside the G examination is total number of seats. What are the favorable conditions? 479. That's why I have put here 479. And how many people are going to attempt the examination? It is 70,000. For example, so in that scenario, 479 divided by 70,000 will be the probability. Okay. So guys, this is the concern. Now please listen me carefully. Actually, the My Dream is working on a particular theme. What, why and how. What is the meaning of that? You know, basically the My Dream is only focusing about education, quality education, not only education, quality education. How? Because if you will get to know about the things in the scenario of what, why and how, then you will basically think a particular about the thing in such a way that how this thing is connected with my life, how can it use in my life, like this, so that your analytical skills now is going to be increased, it is going to be enhanced. So we are working on that theme only. So I will focus in this particular pattern. Okay, so basically you can say this is a particular probability. You will get the if this is a particular probability that you will hit the examination. Okay, now how you will achieve this? Please listen me carefully. How you will achieve this? You can achieve this by a concept of probability distribution. Probability distribution. Guys, you will learn everywhere what is probability. This is the definition of probability. This is the formula of the probability. This is the type of the probability. That's okay. But point is that we have to use it in our daily life. How we can use it? We can use it in like this scenario. Probability distribution, by using the probability distribution, you can get this thing. You can achieve the right probability. How? I will explain. Again, I am going to my earlier words. What I have said. How we are going to, for the weather forecasting, is there a particular thing that is going to say, tell that, yeah, tomorrow there will be rain. Yeah, tomorrow there will be a storm. No. There is a particular sample of data. So guys, you know, data is available on the internet. So basically that collect the data, that how you can achieve this thing. What can be the particular parameters for that data? Yeah, the person that is sitting inside this examination is IQ level of that person is this. Okay. Total marks in the board examination is like this. 12th class examination is like this. Whatever the parameter you can take, and on the basis of that parameter, you can predict a thing that either you are going to select inside the IIT examination or not. So basically, if you want to work on this project, then this is can be a research project for you, and you can hit and you can confirm the things at a particular certain level that either you are going to be inside a particular examination or a particular institute or not, on the basis of the probability. This is the main concern of the probability. Guys, I am just telling you the future, our future is basically based on only and only of about the probability. I will give a best example. Listen me very much clearly. Okay. Here I have taught about why concern. Now I am going to tell you how the probability is connected with our daily to daily life scenario. Guys, please listen me carefully. Have you ever listened about AI, artificial intelligence? AI, artificial intelligence. Have you ever learned and thought about machine learning? Have you ever thought about machine learning or deep learning? You know, basically these three things, there is basically the giant of the technology working only and only concept of the probability. You know, there is a particular robot and he or she can tell that you have to do thing like this. Nothing is there. Only the concept of probability is there, and on the basis of probability, a particular decision is there. On the basis of the probability, a particular decision is there. Okay. Sorry. What is there? Inside the AI, only probability is there, and on the basis of probability, a particular decision is there, and on the basis of that particular decision, the things are going to be happen. For an example, this is a particular robot, I will say. Okay, I will give a best example. You have listened about the robot, na? This is a particular robot. Okay, this is a particular robot, this is a particular machine. How it is going to work? I have fed the parameter that it is a probability that if this particular pattern is going to match, then inside 80% scenario, this particular pattern P is going to happen. Then suppose that if anything that is happening inside our environment comes in this 80% scenario, then what he will predict? He will predict that this particular P thing is going to happen. Are you getting me? So everything inside the future is depending on the concept of the probability. So guys, please listen me carefully. If you are studying about the probability, don't just let it go only on the definition and a basic formula. Just make a in-depth study about the probability so that you can get a better insight about your future study pattern. Okay.